Hey there, this is your professional mode feature goes missing from Facebook on iPhone. Hi there, this is Eve and here's how you can recover and bring back your professional mode feature on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Process 1. Check for an update. Open App Store, look for the Facebook app. If there is a new update, please update the app. But if there is no update, go back, open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out Facebook, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Quickly after that, open Facebook, tap Menu, tap Profile, tap 3 dot, tap Unlock Profile, tap See Your Profile, tap Unlock Your Profile, tap OK. Now go back, tap the 3 dot. Here you can see how your professional mode is enabled on your account. Now tap on it, tap Turn On. So guys, that's how you can enable your professional mode feature on your iPhone. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.